She told my baby he danced to 3. She looked at me, then showed a photo. Baby cried, his eyes were like mine. I said,
all right, so today what are we doing, Bradyn?
We're installing new Bilstein 6112s on the front of my truck. I already got Bilsteins on the rear. Did it myself a few weeks ago, but Dad got the old dealio on the front shock. Saved me about $500. So
Y'all want to know who I date, who I go with?
Nope, but I think you think you're black.
So here are the ones we got from the last week you put these on?
no, probably like a month ago.
They're looking shiny still.
Yeah, they are. They got dirty quick though.
Mr. Full Send here. Yeah. Insert photo.
You ain't first, you're last.
I'd rather be sending.
Here's a little look underneath the undercarriage. She's got them shiners on there. This is about to be an F-150, F-1 trillion after this show's over. I like your truck. One of the sexier F-150 I've seen, I will say. Do an unboxing here.
Either a 2 or a 2.5 inch spacer on it.
Then that's what these are. Maybe we should monster truck it. Now look at them fresh springs.
Yeah, so you set your clips there.
Okay.
And then, I don't know, the instructions are in there somewhere. It'll tell you.
Beautiful.
It's a nice packing job.
Those boxes are always very,
Usually
very durable. You're stuck on the end there.
usually, that's how shitty I am at pulling out.
That's alright. You're not good at pulling out?
I hate it.
Exhibit A.
Pretty much proof.
Exhibit B, turn the camera.
Yeah, you're A. He's C.
A.
He's
B. I think I've ever recorded her.
Why don't you measure it where it's at right now? Measure from the blue, like the ramp, to the top of your finger, and then you can kind of see afterwards.
Yeah, that's always fun.
No, you're gonna have to measure with something else. We don't have tape measures here. Should have warmed it up for it first.
Inside joke. I bet we never recorded that.
We did.
Oh, we did.
Yeah.
I'll just send it to me. We'll throw it in. All right, tell me what you got, B.
40?
40. We even?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, beautiful.
Maybe,
40.
maybe like a 1/4 inch.
Okay. 1 wiener length difference. That ain't bad. And lifts are such a cheat code. Yeah. So nice. Look at these old shitters. Oh, this thing's gonna ride so much better, Bradyn. You're gonna think you're on a magic carpet ride.
I said, do you know how to do this or not? And he was like, and I'm like, no.
Big dickin' over here.
So we do.
No need to nog the poor kid. Oh. So what do they put on these for shocks? Like, oh, what even is that? Is it just
I just always take these loose because you're gonna drop this down. So it just takes the stress off all
That's the brake line?
of
you use the brakes?
No. Just gas.
Only sending.
It's gonna. Once it comes, it's gonna come down.
I'm gonna come. Oh.
The upper control arm is gonna go up, and this is gonna come down. Like that. So now Actually, take your sway bar loose. That should be an 18 too. Just take it all the way off. Just hit it with the impact and it'll...
Dad, where'd your upper body go?
What?
Can't see it.
I had too many DMs after the last video, so I'm covering it up.
You got the camo?
Gotta hide the toys.
That's what I'm saying is the camo. I just can't see. I only see your forearms down. It's kind of weird. You did get a lot of DMs, huh?
Oh.
Howdies or kind of whales?
Your mom, Bradyn's mom.
So hotties.
Everybody's mom, yeah. Alright, there's 3 nuts up here.
Get them B-Rizzle. I don't think they're pretty easy, to be honest. I think they're kind of hard to get. There you go. Bust his ass. You still haven't figured out who Greg Biffle is?
No, show me.
We gotta show you your car. R.I.P. to the Greg Biffle, to the Biff. You getting it? Or is it just slipping off?
It's rounding.
Oh shit, wait for Dad.
One of them's rounding.
What? Well, you got
Battery's slipping off it.
wrong size, put a 9/16 on it.
Yeah, just take your time, be patient. Push down. Dad.
Bradyn, can you get me at the other one? Huh?
1 second.
Are you on it?
Yeah.
You can get it? That wrench broke loose at the perfect time. That wrench broke loose. He went. Then all of a sudden,
That was so mean!
smells good in here, don't it? I was gonna do it when you were both over there.
Yeah, he
and
was
I'm
gonna
like,
fuck me up too.
Yeah.
I just came over at the right time. Oh, Brayden, you really hung in there though. I'm proud of you.
I thought I knocked it.
You thought you what?
Knocked the gun off again. What the fuck?
Put on these boxes. I thought they were gonna start on fire.
I know. I was like, I don't know if I throw it right. And I was like, I don't think there's any gas cans around here.
Just
but
oil.
We'll worry about it later. I know where the fire extinguisher is.
That was a good one. Holy shit. Brady didn't really react at first, and then all of a sudden you started like chopping your feet.
Well, he broke it out with that wrench. It like went. Wait till you watch it over because I threw it over there.
Oh.
And he like slipped off, and then all of a sudden he was because he kind of jumped from that, and then all of a sudden he's like, boom, boom, and he's like.
We're so mean. We always bully poor Braden, but he does nothing to deserve it. He's just such a good kid. I'm sorry, are you okay? Is your heart still intact?
Yeah.
Oh man.
Falling off the lift.
I think that's what he was looking for. He said he thought there was a gun he knocked over or something.
Oh yeah.
Or we just tried to kill you.
It's on there.
Get the breaker bar out. Easy now. Ooh, Braden, you're gonna have to work on the tricep.
I just didn't want to melt the nut and round it.
Yeah. True. I've been there
Bend the
too.
ratchet handle.
Well, you didn't want to round it off, he's saying. Which I've been there, and then you come over and you mog a guy on it, you know. It's all right. I like that. Was a smart play, Braden. Don't take it to heart.
I cut those loose so they would come down a little farther without stressing the wires.
You're gonna have to lay these side by side.
Still might have to.
So these just some like Chinese ones that Ford gets and throws on or something? Or do they make them at Ford?
Shit.
I mean, these are the stock shocks.
Yeah.
But
I wonder
I
where
just
they come from.
Do this, like get under here, hold down. God, these fuckers are still tight.
Worried about the bolts on the top or just these lines?
Well, the lines, and I don't want to pull something loose. That's what sucks about when they put the spacers in there, because you gotta take it down even farther to get it out of there.
Better than snapping one of those, I suppose.
Go up there, like open the hood right. Stay there, and then I'll reach up in there and see if you can see my hand. It's this one right here. What's it clipping on?
This one?
Yeah.
It's just, there's a thing I can disconnect.
Do it.
Do you have like a small flathead?
Not a small one. This one. Well,
The biggest one in the shop.
what's it?
It just comes up here to a harness connector.
Don't break it.
Seemed like it.
Something's loose.
It's a little loose.
No, it's way loose.
Now we're in biz. Biz
Just a little
V8.
oil separate.
Brayden, you're doing blackface right now. Not kind of good, bud. Shit. Jesus, that looks ugly.
So do they just like fuck out of these or what?
Racing stuff? Hopefully not. Fuck. That looks way better. You're a dog.
Just push down as hard as you can. Now that one is a 21, so you can just fucking hammer on it with that. Just give it a good. That's your tie rod. You don't want that coming. It's going down.
Atta boy, B. Get him.
Do I need to get on these hard or no?
Well, don't get on the top one hard, but just tighten. Yeah, that's good. It's a lot though, so
You better.
I mean, I should check it.
You should, yeah. I was gonna say.
Put the fat kid on it.
Jeez, you got a whole nother half turn in that fucker.
Yeah.
Come on, Brad.
He
You
told
need
me
to
I
get
was
back in the
good, bro.
fucking
He told me
gym.
to stop.
Well, I don't fucking.
Complain.
I guess I should know. I mean, you should have retard strength, but you don't. Put those in. And that's aluminum on your spindle there, so don't this.
Okay.
So you never want to tighten them that much. You want me to put them on for you?
Finished product. Braden's a tire fucking pro. Won't slander this kid ever again. God, that looks good in there. Look at that. You can even see the Bilstein on the spring. Woohoo!
Sexy.
How's it feeling? One half of the way done.
I'm so excited. I'm gonna go jump it through the ditch by the highway.
Is there anything past that that's like plastic down in here? Doesn't feel like it.
Just is this plastic?
What? Well, I'm not hitting that. I mean, I'm just talking about. Jesus Christ. What a fucking mess. It's got to be the fucking farthest one away. And this blade isn't quite long enough.
Hey.
Jesus Christ. Can you stay? Yeah, sure. Fuck yeah, ruin everybody's night.
You just gotta lift the wheel up. There we go. I'll just get her started.
It's about time for some more black cats.
Fuck you. That's too much. Only funny when it's not me.
And then put your clamps on and right there's your, like that's your tit, it goes in there. That goes in, and then the same thing. This one's got a tit on it, and it goes in.
Bradyn knows about tits, man. Tell him. God, those look slick. Just have to see you putting in that dirty work here. God, that's nice. Sorry, I'm gonna get in carried away here. We'll get it in a second. Let's go to it
Measured
again.
40 inches the first time.
We can't just
before
be
we took
taking
them
it
off.
off. We couldn't take it in the deer video.
We're good.
Oh yeah. Let's go check the other one. Even though we already measured it, but just for proof for the camera. It's not on video, it didn't happen.
You got the before shoot though.
Yeah. Yeah, I got that. Perfect. Good job, boys.
Let's go.
White boys, make some noise.
Yes, wing halves.
Did you get that back?
No, I couldn't.
How you feel?
Like money. I can't wait to see how she ride.
How'd those get there? Son of a bitch. It's me. He got me too off the camera. About 5 minutes ago, he got me and Bradyn at the same time over there. It smells like the 4th of July in here.
What?
There's a dustpan right here. You know how to use that?
Yep.
That's a nice place for the broom.
Bradyn, it's okay to talk back to him a little bit. Don't let him bully you. That's what he wants. Gets a power trip. Good job, Bradyn. Way to work, way to work!
You look just like your mom used to out there. Maybe.
Alright, I'm cut. Got silver Bilsteins around every corner. Dad, what kind of shocks did we put on here today? Give a little promo action, no, a little call to action here.
Bilstein 6112s, I think.
And what do they gotta do if they want some?
Just get a hold of the best. Shocks by Hammer. You don't have to floor it coming off the ramp, just go slow.
No, make sure you put her to the wood, brother.
I'm gonna put it in drive.
That'd be bad news, Bears. Time for a little spin, a little test. Slow down. He's fucking laughing. What a dick.
Slow down! Just fucking drive. Okay.
It's way more fun on camera, isn't he?
Now you can give her the wood.
Do it. Wait, watch out for our cars.
Yeah, we're good.
Traffic there. Oh, pretty good so far. What is this gauge shit? Bradyn was blasting fucking Bible thumper tunes on the way up. It's alright though, gotta respect it. Praise the Lord and Savior.
You want some 21?
Yeah, dude.
But this is a regular F-150.
It really
it's not a
doesn't even.
Raptor.
It really doesn't even matter because I can't play it. It'll be copyrighted. But
That was during wheel spin.
oh. Okay, I'll look ahead. All right. So far, what are your initial thoughts? You notice any difference?
Definitely smoother. You can feel the bounce, but you don't feel it after the initial.
Mm-hmm. Doesn't sit there and just spring hot.
Mm-mm.
Just bounce on the springs. It wasn't making any kind of noise or not.
It feels taller in the front for some reason.
This thing got torque, man.
It's just that first gear.
That first gear is nasty.
Yeah. Where's like a really shitty road in town?
Go up to the first light and take a right. That's where I noticed it in my truck. Just glide and
She's
good investment, you think?
Yeah.
Sweet.
Oh yeah, I got it for half off through that.
Even if you played full price, I mean, right?
Yeah.
I'm trying to sell here, Bradyn. We're getting 100% commission of anybody that buys shocks from this video. Just tell them you came. I'll work out a deal later with that. I don't remember what it was like before, but I have a feeling it wasn't like this. I think it was kind of like, didn't it kind of ride like shit?
Yeah, once I put the rears on, that made a huge difference because the rear would just fucking bounce forever.
We're driving on like probably one of the roughest roads in the nation, in the world. And I mean, I got a little jiggle in my hands here, but I'm telling you, it's pretty good. It's like smooth. It doesn't feel like anything's jarring or like there's nothing there in the suspension. It feels like it's absorbing it pretty good.
Yeah.
Like it should.
You think I'm good?
I think we're good.